Only a genius can answer these riddles. What is not dry nor wet but can be both? Answer is ice. I am an object. I have 4 children and 16 grandchildren. What am I? Answer is Ludo game. I am life, yet not real. When we first meet, things are dark. When we leave each other, you are in the light. I meet many people with and after you. What am I? Answer is a movie. I am needed to survive, but when I'm here there is evil and good. When I'm gone others come in. You don't seek me, you die. What am I? Answer is money. I'm fast but I'm slow and you can never catch me. What am I? Answer is time. What kind of room has no doors or windows? Answer is mushroom. I fly without wings. I cry without eyes. What am I? Answer is cloud.